Hello, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze and unfreeze rows and columns, as well as how to use transpose function. So first I'm going to freeze a row. I'm going to select A1 cell, and then click on view option, and then click on freeze pane, and then click on the second option, freeze top row. So as you can see, a line is got divided up, and when you scroll downwards, the first row is at a fixed position. So I'm going to unfreeze the pane. So as you can see, the first row is not in a freeze mode. So now I'm going to freeze the first column. So click on the freeze first column. As you can see, when you scroll sidewise, first column is in a freeze mode. So now I'm going to unfreeze it. How about I freeze first 5 columns? So let me convert this thing into a table. You can use Control T also, converting table. Okay, I'm going to freeze A, B, C, D, E columns, and then I'm going to click on F1 cell and then click on view, freeze panes, and then click on first option. So as you can see, the first 5 columns are in the freeze mode, whereas other columns are able to move sidewise. So now I'm going to unfreeze it. So same likewise for the rows also. So I'm going to click on, wait a minute, something why this not stable. Okay, now I'm going to click on A5 and then click on view and then click on the first option. So as you can see, you will be able to see that first 4 rows are in a freeze mode. So this is how you're going to use freeze and unfreeze rows and columns. So now I'm going to unfreeze it. So now I'm going to show you how to use a transpose function. So transpose function is used for converting vertical range cells to horizontal range, which means it's going to convert the column into rows. So whatever the values are present in column wise, you're going to see in a row wise. So I'm going to select the range, the array, and then close the parentheses, hit enter. As you can see, all the values are available in the column A. Now they are in a row format. You can select a range, or else you can hover on the column. Let me show you. Transpose. You can hover on a column. As you can see, a downward arrow mark. So click on it, close the parentheses, and hit enter. The same. So you can select a range or just hover on a column. As you can see, a black arrow mark is visible. If you see the black arrow mark, just click on that, and then you can see the column values are converted into row. Okay, so how about we try with the first name column is equals to transpose hover on it, close the parentheses, hit enter, and everything is in a row format. Nice. Let's try with the last name column. Is equals to transpose. Hover on the C column, select, and then close the parentheses, hit enter. Cool. Now I'm going to show you a unique function also. So here it goes, is equals to transpose, and then use unique function, hover on it, close the parentheses. Now you're going to see only the unique values. You're not going to see any duplicate values. As you can see over here, Superboy Prime, we have two names. You're not going to see the duplicate value at all. So hit enter. As you can see, Superboy Prime is not repeated. So it is not going to show you the repeated ones or duplicate values when you use a unique function. How about we try with the last name column? Is equals to transpose unique, hover on C column, close the parentheses, hit enter. So as you can see, the prime value is not repeated. So it is going to show you only the unique values. It is not going to show you the repeated ones or the duplicate value whenever you use a unique function. So this is how we use transpose function and unique function. So when we use transpose function, you can hover on a column, or else you can select a range. Likewise, and however you're convenient with it. So that's it. This is how it ends over here. Thank you for watching. See ya.